This is an easy and simple stir fry that's better than takeout and easy to adjust. Welcome to Anita's Kitchen, where we're making beef and broccoli stir fry. For this recipe, we're going to need beef, broccoli, aromatics, sauces and seasonings, and mushrooms. See the description for the full recipe. Thinly slice 200 grams of strip loin beef against the grain. To prepare the marinade, add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of mushroom liquid or cold water, 1 teaspoon of mirin or a pinch of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of white pepper, a quarter teaspoon of MSG, this is optional, and mix well into the beef. To make the stir-fry sauce, in a small bowl, add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sweet soy sauce or dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons of mushroom liquid or cold water, 3/4 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and whisk to combine. To prepare everything else, separate the white and green parts of 1 large green onion, thinly slice the white end, diagonally slice the green part and set aside for garnish. Peel and chop 2 cloves of garlic. Peel and chop 10 grams of ginger. Cut 150 grams of broccoli into bite-sized pieces. Trim and slice 5 large cremini mushrooms. To blanch the broccoli, bring a pot of water to a boil. Add a pinch of salt. Blanch the broccoli for 20 to 30 seconds. Remove the broccoli and submerge into an ice bath. Let's cook the stir fry. Place a pan or a wok over high heat. Add a neutral oil to the hot pan. Add the beef so each slice has direct contact to the hot pan and let it sear for 1 minute. Stir the beef, add the mushrooms, and let sear for 1 minute. Add the white parts of the green onion, garlic and ginger, and stir for 30 seconds. Add the broccoli and stir for 1 minute. Add the stir-fry sauce and let sit for 5 seconds, then stir to combine. Cook for another minute. Turn off the heat. Add a splash of toasted sesame oil and stir. Let's eat. Plate over a bed of jasmine rice. Add the green ends of the green onion and shake on some sesame seeds. The broccoli is crunchy but coated in the stir-fry sauce. The beef is tender and delicious. Thank you for watching. Please consider leaving a thumbs up and subscribing.